referee gets this match underway.
Defender then back on the ball.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Played in field. He's onside here.
Oh, he must score.
Shoots! His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff.
Let's take another look at that.
And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Oh, he did really well there.
It's with the striker.
He must score. Oh, how unlucky. He shoots. And the keeper really glad that wasn't on target. Not sure he'd have got to that.
Let's see that one again.
Using the width here. That's good link-up play. What a well-timed tackle. Hoisted upfield now.
And he stayed onside.
Oh, it's a clear chance. Oh, it's in. What a fantastic goal. It means a lot to the player and should give him the confidence to grab more.
Let's see a replay of that crucial goal.
The score 2-0. The next goal will prove to be decisive. Passed well. Oh, he did really well there.
Played in field.
Oh, well timed.
Striker's ball.
And it's opened up here.
Pulls the trigger.
Now this could be cost. Oh, it's a clear chance. And he hits it. And they get it away. Well read. Oh, he did really well there.
Striker's ball. Gets the shot in.
Just needed a bit more composure to get that shot on target. Let's see how close that one was to going in.
Keeper sends it long. Well cut out. It's with the striker. He's onside here.
Just the keeper to beat, and he hits it.
What a finish!
And it's in off the woodwork.
Let's take another look at that.
And the referee gets the game going again.
Great footwork there. He loves to run with the ball.
Oh, he's onside here.
Oh, he must score.
Here's the shot. Great goal.
Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues.
That was really well taken. Here's how they did it.
And we're back under.
And there's the half-time whistle. Plenty of good football between these two teams. Let's hope the half-time period doesn't slow things down.
It's time for the second half of this league match.
Lovely passing here. He must score.
Oh, well timed. He dribbles the ball forward.
What a well-timed tackle.
And there's the shot.
And it's saved by the keeper.
And he hits it. Top-class finish there.
The manager will be really pleased with finishing like that. He'll do wonders for his confidence too.
Let's take a closer look at that goal now.
The referee gets the game back underway.
It's with the defender now.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. They're making their move now.
Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play.
No cards yet from the referee.
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper.
And he stayed onside.
What a chance!
Shoots! What a finish!
Fantastic work from the goal scorer and his team. A much-deserved goal.
Let's see that one again.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
And we're back underway here. What a well-timed tackle.
Striker's ball.
Great dribbling. Oh, determined challenge there.
It's with the striker. Can he finish it? He shoots.
Oh, how unlucky.
Shoots. He should have been on target. It's a tactical change here then. Launched upfield by the keeper.
To Ross.
Oh, he's onside here.
What an opportunity.
He shoots.
And that is a fantastic goal. Let's see that one again.
It's just one after the other. With his team, the manager will be ecstatic.
The defenders back on the ball.
Miller.
Played in field.
Oh, it's a clear chance.
Shoots.
Oh, he did really well there.
Can anyone get on to the end of this one?
And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
That's the final whistle. Great display of attacking football today.
Great performance by this player. He fully deserves to be named